Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Red Baby. Just kidding. It's your boy Max. Back with another video that's gonna get 8 views. I see you. 8 views, 0 likes, 0 comments. I'm sure. Prove me wrong, please. Please. But yeah, I mean, I don't have a plan for this video. I'm just kind of sitting here, chilling like a villain right now. Ugh. If you're watching this right now and you know me personally, then you finna find a lot out. I'll tell you that much. But at the end of the day, I don't care. Cause unless you're like one person who might watch this video, I'm not gonna see you again. So I don't care what you think of me now. I've been through you, you've been through me. So, but as y'all know, I have depression. And it's been alright. I mean, today was bad. Today was, on paper, today was great. And like, part of the day was really good. But I had a date today. We went to the Perot. That place is cool. It was a lovely time, you know what I mean? But like halfway through, my like social battery just died. It just was gone. And then I started thinking about like stuff that's going on in the country right now. And stuff like that. And it made me understandably mad. So yeah. Hold on, let me pause real quick. I'm back. Anyway, yeah, and that made me kind of depressed a little bit after thinking about that stuff. And then like I just got in my head full on. And then I started getting, I don't know how to explain how I was getting, but it wasn't happy, so there's that. But yeah. I don't know. I think I'm odd. I'm an odd person. I feel like I'm like the only conscious person. You know that derealization thing? It's the picture of like some guy like sitting in their head. It's like derealization, I think is what it is. Sometimes I feel like I am the only conscious person ever. And I'm constantly lonely. I could be with like the most perfect girl ever. You know who you are. And I'm not lonely, cuz I'm with like, you know, the bestest girl ever, but subconsciously in my head I'm lonely, constantly lonely. And that sounds like some emo thing to say. Saying it out loud, it sounds really emo, but it's not. I'm just lonely. And I wish I could get in someone's head. Like I could just get in their brain. And I could finally, you know, be with them. Like I could talk to them and know that they're listening. It's hard to explain. I know they're listening, but like talk to them and know that they're there. I sound crazy. I don't know what I'm getting at right now. I do, but you don't. So that's, I don't know how to explain it better, but, and that's just for anyone. I wish that for anyone. I don't know, I'm lonely. I feel like I'm talking to myself right now. I'm not gonna cry. Even though I feel like it's coming on right now, I'm not gonna cry. I'm just really emotional right now because I do feel really lonely. I keep looking at this. Sorry, it's this. It's something that my girlfriend gave me, which is so dearly special to me. If you ever see me glancing over here, that's what I'm looking at. But yeah. It just sorry. It just reminds me that I'm not entirely lonely in this world. I have a shoulder to lean on. I have a person. And just so this video isn't completely useless for the people watching, I have a life lesson today. Life lessons with Max, am I right, guys? In times where you feel like you have no one, look for someone. And when that doesn't work, look around and see the someone you have. December 2024, I was depressed. I was not doing good at all. And then, I talked to a girl who changed my life, who would later become the love of my life, and a girl who I wouldn't trade for the world. She's my person. And I didn't even know she was there. All along, I didn't even think to look. But then I did. And I'm not gonna get into the whole story about like our first like actual conversation like on call. But that wasn't even like that. That was a prank. I was playing a prank on a random girl that was in my contacts. And that prank changed my life for the better. It's wild how life works, bro. But yeah, the whole point is that that wasn't meant to happen. That was not meant to happen. I simply looked around at the people I had and saw the person I always had. I just had to reach out. You could say it's easier said than done. I say it was easy. Going through what I went through was not easy, but solving it was easy once you jump the fence. Once you hop that fence and you are there. Once you start solving it, you're solving it. It never goes away, but you're making it better. It gets better. But yeah, I'm really lonely. This video is getting like 2 views, so that's cool. 0 comments, 0 likes. It's okay. It's okay. I understand. But yeah, I'm basically talking to myself now. I don't know what to say. I think maybe... I don't know. I don't know what I'm feeling right now. You know what sucks about being a 14-year-old boy? You know what sucks about being a 14-year-old boy? In, like, current world, current times. What really sucks, what really stings, is that I live in a world where 14-year-old boys are so lustful. So lustful, bro. It's not even funny. And like 15, 16-year-olds, they be lustful, bro. It's not even funny. All they want is booty, bro. It's like, oh, stop. I don't want to be that guy. Oh, I just want to be romantic. I just want to get her flowers. I want to go on picnics. You know, I want to walk around the park. No. I love doing those things. And I will always love doing those things. But yeah, I think the hardest part about being a 14-year-old boy, if we're talking about relationships, is the fact that you're not. I don't know how to explain it, dog, but like, I don't think you'll ever know what you want in a relationship. You want honesty. I want honesty. I want love. True love. Honesty is my number one. It'll always be my number one. So I guess I somewhat know. But if you got in my head, bro, I'm such an overthinker. I'll overthink everything. I'll think you're mad at me when you're not. I think I'll think you're annoyed at me when you're not. And maybe sometimes you are. Sometimes you are annoyed at me and you just don't say anything. Those are the times where overthinking works. But the con about overthinking is that you feel like you're always stepping on pins and needles. And it's not the relationship. It's the best relationship ever. But in my head, I don't want to mess up. I will overthink every situation. I'll replay situations in my head going, I should have done this, I should have done that. I'm like scared a lot of the time that I'm not doing the right thing. And I don't want, this relationship to end up like my past ones. Because they were bad. They were bad, let me tell you. They were great. The endings were bad. I don't want this one to end up like that. So I overthink. I always go to I'm the problem. No, I'm the one that needs to improve. And sometimes that's probably right. Sometimes I might be the one that needs to improve. But that's what makes relationships so fun, is that you never 100% know anything. Except one thing. That you 100% love them. That's what I know. Another life lesson from Max. If you love someone, you will tell them how you feel. You'll be honest, you won't lie, and you'll tell them how you feel. If anything's ever bothering you, you will tell them. If they ask. I'm not saying you have to go tell them randomly, but if they ask, tell them and be honest about it. Something was bothering me tonight. I told my girlfriend. I didn't tell her in detail, but I told her that something was bothering me. We talked about it. See, I don't know. I kind of scrambled everywhere in this video. I'm not posting this.